Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The Amazon FireStick is our go-to streaming sidekick. Millions of us rely on it daily for our Netflix binges and movie nights. But what if I told you your FireStick is capable of so much more than just streaming the usual suspects? In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal my top hidden secrets, tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of your FireStick. Get ready to supercharge your streaming experience. Let's dive right in. We're kicking things off with a game changer. Let's be honest, while the Amazon App Store has a decent selection, sometimes you wish you had access to a wider variety of apps, right? Especially when you see the massive library available on the Google Play Store. Now, you can't directly install the Google Play Store on your Fire TV device, but there's a fantastic workaround. Alternative app stores. Think of them as a secret portal to a whole new world of apps. Installing these is surprisingly easy, especially if you head over to my website. Just grab the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store and enter this code, 28907. Click Go, then wait a few seconds for my Downloads page to load. Now press the menu button on your FireStick remote, that's the one with 3 horizontal lines, and press it again to enter full screen mode. This is for easier navigation. Scroll down the screen and you'll see a list of categories. Tap on App Stores and there you'll find a selection of alternative app marketplaces. My top recommendation is Aptoide TV. It's generally one of the best and most user-friendly options for Fire TV devices, but feel free to explore the others. However, keep in mind that not all app stores will work perfectly on your FireStick or Fire TV. Trust me, opening up your FireStick to alternative app stores can unlock a ton of new possibilities. My next tip is so simple, yet it is a massive time saver that many people overlook. And it all revolves around one tiny button. The home button on your FireStick remote. We all know that a single press takes you back to the main screen. But did you know there's a hidden menu just a press and hold away? Just press and hold the home button for about 1 second, then release. You're instantly presented with a super handy quick access menu. You get direct one-click access to the features you use most often. Need to quickly switch profiles? It's right there. Want to jump into your ambient experience? Done. Time to power down your FireStick? The sleep option is just a click away. Want to share your phone screen? Screen mirroring is instantly accessible. And the best part, instant access to your FireStick settings. It couldn't be any simpler. Try it out, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Alright, let's talk about keeping your FireStick running smoothly. Have you ever noticed it feeling a little warm, especially if it's tucked away tightly behind your TV? When your TV is mounted close to the wall, or if you've got a jungle of cables back there, it can really restrict airflow around your FireStick. All that heat can potentially lead to performance issues. The good news? Well, Amazon actually includes a simple solution in the box. An HDMI extender cable. Don't just toss it aside. Use this to move your FireStick away from the back of your TV, allowing for better air circulation and helping it stay cool. But wait, there's more. Using the HDMI extender can also improve your Wi-Fi signal to the FireStick. Less interference from the back of your TV can lead to a stronger and more stable connection. It's a win-win. So if your FireStick is feeling the heat, dig out that extender cable. It can make a real difference. Next up, let's tackle a common FireStick frustration: the dreaded no storage message. It's easy to fill it up with apps and games, but fear not, because you can easily expand your FireStick storage with an external USB drive. You'll need a couple of extra bits of hardware, an OTG cable or adapter, and an external USB storage device. I've included links to everything you'll need in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Here's a quick rundown. Unplug your FireStick from the TV and power source, then plug the OTG cable into the micro USB port on your FireStick. Connect your external USB drive to the OTG cable. Finally, plug the FireStick back in and let it power up. Once connected, you can format the drive to use it as general storage for files or as additional app storage. Expanding your FireStick storage opens up a whole new world of apps and possibilities. If you want more detailed instructions on setting this up, be sure to check out the video linked above and in the description below. Our final hidden secret is all about keeping your streaming sessions uninterrupted. Your Fire TV remote is your trusty companion, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on its battery life. Luckily, checking the battery status is quick and easy. From your FireStick home screen, navigate to Settings and then select Remote and Bluetooth devices. And finally, choose Amazon Fire TV remotes. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the battery status for your remote. This will let you know if it's time to swap out those batteries before your favourite show suddenly cuts out. Simple, but definitely a handy tip to avoid those mid-binge battery surprises. So there you have it, my top hidden secrets, tips and tricks to get the absolute most out of your Amazon Fire Stick. Did you learn something new today? Let me know which tip surprised you the most in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Fire Stick deep dives and tech tips. Thanks so much for watching and happy streaming.